Assalamualaikum everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about predictive data analytics. Predictive data analytics is used in production and operations management to ensure quality and management and reliability of different functions within your production as well as your processes within your operations. It ensures quality management through maintenance, reliability, manufacturing analytics solution, and it's fast and easy uh, to deploy into production and operations. It solves uh, manufacturing related issues and problems by identifying ahead of time uh, any uh, uh, imminent or any uh, imminent in a way there where you could identify potential issues, and before they occur, you can identify them through predictive analytics and take necessary precautions to keep them from happening. So it basically underlines the preventive strategy methodology of dealing with issues and those challenges that during the course of production and operations normally surface. So for that, we turn to this tool, uh, data analytics tool that is called Orange. And here we are going to do predictive data analysis of a given data. And if you look at the screen, we have this taskbar here. You can expand it by clicking like this, or you could collapse it like this. And this is on the screen, as you can see, a model already being created for data analytics based on a certain data that we have stored in our file. So we are going to talk about it. Here we are going to show you this file. Just click here and you can bring file here. So we call it file 2 as it automatically gets this name. Double click here. We'll go to our folder. From there, we will select that file. This is a file, and we are interested in predicting product. So we have assigned it the target value from this drop-down menu, and you can apply by clicking the button here, and you can close out the window. Now you can check the data. It's always good to see that. Now you can see here the data that has been exported from the Excel file. And you can close out the data as well. All right. So now we are going to apply this tree. This is where we apply the prediction model. It's called a classifier tree. So you can do like this. Click on it. It gives you this number. Okay. And now you can have a tree viewer, which gives you how the data has been analyzed by the system to predict the outcome in which we are interested. That is product, right? Based on that data given to us. All right. So this is this. So this is the actual file, the given data to us. And now we are going to add another file to it. And that another file is, we are going to call it the file that we want to predict our data in. So we'll go back to our folder. From there, we will select that file for prediction, and it has been named as the sub file. Okay, the sub file. And over here, we are interested in knowing the product. This is what we are going to predict. We convert from feature to target. Now we'll see the data. All right, now you see here, it shows here this column that we are interested in knowing about the product type that we are going to predict. All right, so now we are going to use the prediction tool here. Just mention your prediction. Just simple as that. Right? So now what we are going to do is we will use this prediction and we'll attach three this prediction, and we are going to attach this file, this prediction. Now we can click on it. Now as you can see here, it has predicted these products that would probably be expected here or likely to occur here in our data based on the data that we have here, that we have this demand level, inventory level, and the warehouses, and that data has been compared against the main data, the first file, and based on that pattern, the system has been able to identify the following items that are most likely to occur in the product column. If you are interested in knowing more about the details, you can do like this, and it will show you here. So this is how it appears over here, right? So it means that the probability assigned to each product, if you look at the first one, is 33%. For the red one, the product that is assigned to, they are all color coded. And the second most probability is 67%, which is the highly likely. And this one is product uh, washing machine category 2. Here it's 100%. Here it's Thunderbird. This is also 100%. This is, and here it is 75%. Each of them. All right. So now let's apply another model here as well, as we are predicting, so we can apply more than one model to make our prediction accurate. So for that, we turn to logistic regression. So for that, we go about uh, the data, that main data file over here, and we draw a line here. We write here logistics regression. All right. So now we attach logistic regression here as well. And now, again, we double click on this prediction. Now we have two tables appearing here, one under pre-model and the other one under logistic regression. So both are predicting which type of product will appear in each of these rows specifically. So here we can identify the similarity here. Wow. They both have predicted that washing machine category 2 will come in the first row, and the second row also washing machine category 2. In the third row, P has predicted tumble dryer category 3, whereas logistic regression has predicted washing machine 2 again. And likewise, it has predicted for the fourth and the fifth row as well. Whereas P has predicted tumble dryer 1 category for the fifth, fourth, and the fifth row. But both models have predicted the same product for each of the remaining two rows, that is the sixth and the seventh one. So if you are interested in more detail, you can do like this. Then from here, we'll come to know that the similarity in prediction. What we have done over here is washing machine here, washing machine part two. So now you can see here under logistic regression, uh, they have predicted washing machine category 2 with the likelihood of uh, this much percentage and this much percentage. Okay. Whereas washing machine product 2 has been here, 100% over here. And likewise, the pink color associated with washing and tumble dryer combo predicted under 3 and predicted under logistic regression is also over here. So from there, we conclude that these products have been predicted similarly. In similarity, they are um, one, two, uh, three, four. Four products have been predicted identically by both models. From there, we have been able to identify our predictive data analytics tool that has been able to tell us about the likelihood of products that can appear here. Okay, so now we revisit our main canvas over here. So you look here again. What we have done basically, we have replicated this model over here, and we have applied two models there. The first one is the pre-model to predict, and the second one is logistic regression model to predict. And from there, we have compared the results to see how they have predicted those results. So those common results are more likely to occur. So with this, we conclude our session. Thank you.